Long, long ago in the golden desert city of Makkah, there lived a young man who never, ever told a lie. Everyone called him Al-Amin, the Trustworthy One. But how did he earn this special name? Let's find out. His name was Muhammad. Even as a young boy, he was different. While other children sometimes fibbed or broke promises, Muhammad always kept his word. His smile was warm and his heart was pure. One day, a wealthy merchant needed someone to take his precious goods across the hot desert to faraway lands. Silk, spices, and treasures. Many people wanted the job, but the merchant chose Muhammad. Why? Because everyone knew if Muhammad promised to keep something safe, he would. The journey was long and hard. The sun blazed like fire. Sandstorms swirled. But Muhammad protected every single item. When he returned, he gave back everything, even the smallest coin. He didn't keep anything for himself, even though no one would have known. The merchant was amazed. "You are truly honest," he said. Word spread across Makkah like wind across the dunes. "Muhammad is Al-Amin, the Trustworthy One." People began leaving their most valuable treasures with Muhammad for safekeeping. Gold, jewelry, important papers. They trusted him completely, and he never let anyone down, not even once. Being honest made Muhammad special, and this was just the beginning of his amazing story. What happened next? That's a tale for another day.